You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Solve by distributing. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 4x to both sides. Group like terms. Group like terms. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 2.5 from both sides. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 0.5. And so the final result is x equals -1.